Guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the driver may be corrupted or missing code 39 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code 39, then here are the fixes. And the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple reboot of your system can resolve various major and minor issue of your computer. So you must restart your system. And if your problem is still, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here device manager windows will now open. Here from the available driver list, look for the driver human interface device. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do we want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. And also look for any device driver having yellow color exclamation mark against each. Update that driver also, because this may be outdated driver may be a cause of such type of error code appear. And thereafter choose properties, right click on device driver, choose properties, go to driver and click on rollback driver. In my case this is gray out for some reasons. If in your system it will available, then roll back driver and check whether your error code 19 device driver error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. Run the hardware and devices troubleshoot in your system. This command will open hardware and device troubleshoot. Hardware and device troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. After that, restart your system. That's